Everyone, so this is the Palo Alto firewall I have here. If you can see here, this is a Palo Alto firewall. I get the IP, you can see here. This is the IP I receive, 192.168.45.132. So this is the IP. So I type this IP in the browser so I can access the Palo Alto firewall. And if you see, this is the interface. I have Ethernet 1 by 1, I have Ethernet 1 by 2. I have two interface here. Okay, if you see here, I have two interface here. Let me show you. This is the interface which is connecting towards the ISP. This is the ISP. We have the internet here. And we have another interface, that is a interface 1 by 2, which is connecting to our LAN network. This is our LAN network. So what we need to do now, we need to arrange the internet. So we can arrange the internet so this PC can access the google.com, facebook.com, or whatever you need. So let me power on this device also. I can power on the switch here. I can power on this device. And if you see, this is our window machine. I'm using the window machine here. And what we can say, this is the switch. This window machine will take some time to boot up. No worries, we can wait. And meanwhile we can do the configuration about the Palo Alto firewall. So Palo Alto firewall already we have here. First configuration, what we will do, we will assign the IP address to the Palo Alto firewall. If you go in the device and go here, you can set the DNS first. First thing, you can set the DNS. Here I put 8.8.8.8. Then after that I put 1.1.1. Then go to the NTP and set the NTP server here, as I put this one. This is the NTP server for India. Wherever, which country you are present currently, you can put that NTP server here. Then click OK. After that, go to the network. Then click this interface. It will open. You can see here, this Ethernet 1 by 1 is connecting to the outside. This interface is connecting to the outside of, means it is connecting to our internet. Okay, so you need to remember this interface E1 by 1, Ethernet 1 by 1 is connecting to outside, and we are planning to assign this IP 45.100. so what I will do here, I will write this in this is this interface or connecting to internet. I can write like this, connecting to internet. And this interface should be the layer 3 interface. I will click here layer 3. In the configuration, I will take the default router, and here I need to create the zone. So I will create here zone is inside. We will have two zone. Now we will take two zone, inside zone, outside zone, and this is a layer 3. So I will take inside. So this is okay. Then go to the interface. But if you remember, this is not inside, this is connecting to outside. So let me create outside zone here and create new zone and write here outside. Okay, and click OK here. So you have outside. Then go here and click add IP and write here IP whatever we plan. We plan here 192.168.45.100/24. Okay, so this is IP. Whatever we put here, assign that one. 192.168.45.100. So I put that IP here. After that, this one we will do later. This one we will do later. Go here, advanced. If you want to allow ping, if you want, because by default this firewall interface no one can ping. Okay, ping is disabled here. If you want to allow, you can allow also. If you want to allow, then you need to create the management profile. In that one you need to select ping. How we will create means, you can create from here, and also you have option here also. If you see interface management, anyhow I will go here, click management profile. You can give any name, because I am allowing the ping, so I will give the same name and select this ping. Click OK. So this one is selected. After that, click OK. Go to the another interface, that is fast Ethernet 1 by 2. You can see here, this is a Ethernet 1 by 2. This one is connecting to where? It is connecting inside. So here I can say command connecting to LAN. Okay, you can write anything. And interface we will use the layer 3. Same thing, the router will be default virtual router and the security zone will be inside, and the IP, assign the IP 192.168.1.100/24. This one we will do later, this one later. Go here. If you want to allow ping, click this. Okay, so these two interface we configure. If you see here nothing is showing, so you need to click commit. We can do commit at last also, but if you want we can click here commit, so you can see here this interface will go up. It will be green after some time. So this will take some time. Meanwhile we can click here close and we can do the other work. So here what I done, I assigned the IP to the interface, first thing. Second thing, this one first thing we done the DNS and the NTP. Then we assign the IP address to the interface. After that I can go to the here. If you see what I can do here now, I can create the policy, I can do the NAT, I can do the routing. So I can create the policy. So go to policy, you can say this is a security policy, click here. In the policy, this policy you are creating for what? This policy you are creating to send the traffic from inside to outside. Okay, and this machine is ready. Here we can assign the IP. Let me go here. Because this machine is connected here, so gateway will be 192.168.1.100, and for this machine we can give the IP like we can give like 192.168.1.1. gateway will be 192.168.1.100, and the DNS I can use the Google DNS. I will say OK. Okay, this will take some time, and till that time go here. So I am creating the policy, so give the name of the policy. I can say inside to outside because we are sending the traffic from inside to outside, so I will write inside to outside. Okay, and here keep like this. If you want to put any description, anything, later we will see this. Now if you see this